List and iteration. 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 Iteration, the repetition of a process or utterance. Repetition of a mathematical or computational procedure applied to the result of a previous application, typically as a means of obtaining successively closer approximation to the solution of a problem. Yes, it's like approximation, right? A new version of a piece of computer hardware or software. Okay. List and iteration, providing some structure. There is more to data types than the numbers, strings, and booleans. So far, you've been writing Python code using primitive types, those floats, integers, signs, and of course booleans, with a value like a 3.14, so pi, right? 42, hey, it's my turn, and true. And you can do a lot with primitives, but at some point you'll want to write code that deal with a lot of data, say, all the items in the shopping cart, the name of all the notable stores, or an entire product catalog. For that we need a little more oomph. In this chapter we are going to look at the new type called list, which can hold a collection of values. With list you will be able to provide some structure for your data rather than just having a zillion variables floating around your code holding values. You are also going to learn how to treat all those values as a whole, as well as how to iterate over each items in a list using that for loop we mentioned in the last chapter. After this chapter, your ability to deal with data is going to grow and expand. Okay. Can you help bubbles are used? How to represent multiple values in Python? How lists work? How big is that list anyway? Accessing the last item in the list. Python makes this even easier. Using Python's negative indices. Meanwhile, back at the WRUs. How to iterate over a list, fixing the output glitch. Really fixing the output glitch. The for loop, the preferred way to iterate over a list. How the for loop works on a range of numbers. Doing more with ranges. Putting it all together. Building your own list from scratch. Doing even more with list. Test drive the final report, and the winners are testing the most cost-effective solution